this is my first YouTube video, so we'll see how it goes. I decided to redecorate my room, and I thought, well, why not make a video out of it, you know, with the before and after results. So I'm going to show you my inspiration, which is the Seven Bridges Hotel in Amsterdam. I saw a picture on the internet. I have never been there, but I saw one room that I really liked, and I thought, okay, maybe, you know, do something like this. And I found these old curtains that I had stored, and I thought that they would be, they look kind of good and, you know, luxurious a little bit. And my room is pretty bare, kind of minimalistic. So a little bit of color, a little bit of, you know, good fabrics and stuff, and curtains and all little things. Painting the walls, obviously, and redoing this, the closet, which is like really plain and unattractive and appealing. So I'm going to do all that with the budget of about 200 euros. So we'll see how it goes. So stick around for the process, you know, the painting, the sewing, the bringing in stuff and rearranging, and of course the before and after results. So hopefully you like it. Looking for, but this was kind of similar in colors. These are two fabrics, both like very busy patterns, but the colors are nice. So one side it's going to be like, this is like some cotton viscose, and this is corduroy. So I'll work on that today. I worked on the molding last night. I really like it. I like how the closet will. Even now, it looks much better, but once it's finished, I think it's going to look great. I didn't have enough of these little things, so I went to the store last night, and of course they had all the other kinds, but not the one that I needed. So I have to go find it in a different store today. Hopefully they will have it. But I love this, and I'm going also to take some more for the door, but probably larger than this, like wider. And I will not be putting back the little handles. It's just going to look like this, like a wall. If you remember the movie Charade with Audrey Hepburn and Cary Grant, when she comes back from Gstaad, I think, or somewhere in the Swiss Alps, comes back to her ransacked home, and she goes into the big living room area, and it's like walls like this with beautiful molding. I mean, much better than this, obviously. And then, but it looks like walls, and then she starts opening them, and it's all big, beautiful closets. Nothing in them, but still beautiful. Excellent movie set. And Charade, if you haven't seen it. Oh, my phone is ringing. Maybe it's Cary Grant. I finished the door. I got the molding. It's a little bit different than this one. It's wider, but they didn't have any of these, so I could not finish the closets. I have to order. They will order for me this kind, because they had all the other kinds, but not this one that I needed. So this will have to wait another few days, but the door is looking good. And I am thinking of also, now that I know how to do molding, that's a big deal for me, I will probably do some molding on some old mirrors that I have, like big mirrors, and I will buy some wider molding and just glue it and attach it on the frame, and I think that it will look good, but when I get the molding I'll show you that. I first wanted to do some stenciling. I had bought some like stencil, but it looked kind of messy and I didn't like it, so I decided to just go with the plain, simple and elegant golden stripe. So time to take off the tape and see what we have. Hopefully, hopefully this happens. I had some bad quality tape that sort of breaks. Need to take this like that. Okay, this other one is better. Ta-da! Let's see, a little bit more. This is the funnest part. It took me 3 or 4 days to finish everything, but I'm pretty pleased with the results, and I really liked making the video too. That was an interesting process, because this is my first video that I'll be putting on YouTube. So I think I'll be putting some more, and if you would like to see some more, please subscribe, like, comment, the whole YouTube drill. And well, I hope you enjoyed the video and that maybe you got inspired to do some redecorating of your own. And again, thanks for watching, and until next time, bye bye.
No one to talk to, all by myself. No one to walk with, but I am happy on the shelf. Ain't misbehaving, I'm saving all my love for you. Darling, you know it's true. I know for certain the one I love